Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1979 Porsche 911 SC Cabriolet. This example shows 156,000 miles. It has a clean title. It's a beautiful dark gray metallic over black leather interior, and it features an all-metal 930 turbo widebody. It runs and drives excellent. The 915 transaxle shifts properly through all gears. The clutch is strong, and the 3-liter flat 6 sounds amazing. We sourced these real 15x7 and 15x8 inch Fuchs, and they have new tires at all 4 corners. Inside is lovely. The driver's seat is a sport seat. It has a Grant steering wheel. It's relatively stock otherwise. The dash is in nice shape. The gauges are in nice shape. Door cards are good. Carpet is good. It has the rear seat back. The rear vinyl in the window is nice. It has an aftermarket stereo that works well. It has good heat, and the air conditioning is not currently hooked up. Around the back, we've done a major service on this. We've done the fuel filter, fuel strainer, several lines, the fuel accumulator and filter. We had the CIS head pulled and cleaned and tuned, and we had the injectors pulled and cleaned as well. We did an oil service, valve adjustment. We replaced all of the valve cover gaskets. It's in awesome shape. It runs so well and it feels so nice. And the rest of the undercarriage is rust-free as well. This is a really fun example that you can enjoy as it sits, or there's room to improve if you'd like to tinker and make it your own. So there you have it, our 1979 Porsche 911 SC.